Hola! Let's take a look at this instructional page in Canvas, how to conjugate reflexive verbs in the present tense. So remember, a reflexive verb in Spanish is a verb in which the subject does the action and receives the action. Or rather, they do the action to themselves. So when we conjugate a reflexive verb, we need to make sure that the verb and the reflexive pronoun both match the subject of the sentence. So let's take a look at this process in the present tense. First, we're going to determine who the subject is. And remember, in Spanish, the subject or subject pronoun is often eliminated when it is understood. Then we're going to conjugate the verb according to the subject. If it's a stem-changing verb, we have to make sure that we are implementing stem changes. If it is a stem-changing verb. Now, the se. Remove the se from the infinitive and make the reflexive pronoun agree with the subject. The reflexive pronoun is going to be placed before the conjugated verb. Remember that if the reflexive verb refers to a body part, we need to use a definite article and not a possessive adjective. For example, tú te lavas la cara. You wash your face. So let's take a look at the verb acostarse. This reflexive verb is a stem-changing verb. On the left, we have the subjects. And on the right, we have the reflexive pronouns that agree with the subjects and the conjugation of the verb. So let's conjugate this verb together. Escuchen. Yo me acuesto. Tú te acuestas. Él, ella, usted se acuesta. Nosotros o nosotras nos acostamos. Y ellos, ellas, ustedes se acuestan. Practice how to conjugate reflexive verbs with all of our verbs in the chapter. Hasta luego!